and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Sherry and today is Makeover Monday. So that means we're going to be making something healthy today, but before I get started, if this is your first time here, you love food, you love fun, and you love helping a good cause, make sure to hit the subscribe button and check the details in the description below. Alright, so if you tuned in last Monday I showed you all how to make your own almond milk. And one of the great things about making your own almond milk is you get a byproduct called almond pulp. And you can take the almond pulp and you can make your own almond flour or almond meal. So it's super easy to do. That's what I'm going to show you how to do today. And I've got a cookie sheet here that I just lined with parchment paper. And then I also have my fine mesh bag that we strained the almond milk through. So inside of that we have our almond pulp. And so I'm just going to spread it out onto my cookie sheet. And I'm going to crumble it up just a little bit. So I have my oven set to 210 degrees Fahrenheit. And all we're going to do is put this in the oven, and about every 20 or 30 minutes, I'm going to pull it out, kind of break it up a little bit more, give it a stir. And we're just going to keep doing that over the course of about an hour and a half to 2 hours until it's completely dry. All right, so once our almond pulp is completely dry, we are going to transfer this to a blender. We're just going to use our parchment paper to slide it right down in there. Then I'm going to put the lid on my blender, and I'm just going to blend this until it becomes a really nice fine powder. All right, I think that is good. I'm going to go ahead and, ooh, it's got it everywhere. I'm going to go ahead and take the lid off and see if I have any left. Oh my goodness, look, I got it everywhere on the counter. So, let's see. Let's just shake it really good. But look how nice and fine that is. I mean, I did not a very good job of getting it out of the pitcher, but anyway, so at this point, all you have to do is transfer it to an airtight container, or you can go ahead and use it in any of your favorite low-carb recipes. So there you have it. But pretty awesome, huh? Pretty easy to make. So I hope you all enjoyed that. I will see you again next Monday with another makeover recipe. I thank you so much for watching. Bye.